Hi friends. So today we are going to study how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So students, in our previous class, in our previous video, we have seen the introduction of number system. In that we have learnt what rational numbers are. Still we'll have a quick revision and then we'll start with our today's topic. So I'll write the topic name rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so what are rational numbers? So you know that there is a word ratio. Okay, so rational numbers are in the form p by q. Okay, and where q is not equal to 0. Okay, if q is equal to 0 then it will not be a rational number. Okay, so rational numbers like 1 by 2, 3 by 2, these are all rational numbers which we have seen in previous class. So we have to, in this class we have to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. With this I will explain you with the help of a number line. Okay, so number line means it should have arrows, then it becomes a number line. Okay, otherwise it will not. At the center of the number line there is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. To the right of 0 there are positive integers, means there are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash 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 up to infinity. Okay, and to the left of 0 there are negative integers like -1, -2, -3, -4, dash 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 up to minus infinity. Okay, suppose if I tell you to find to find rational numbers between these two rational numbers, between 1 and 3, so there is one rational number. Like that there are many rational numbers, but if I ask you find an rational number, so there is 2, because between 1 and 3 on the number line, so 1 can be written as 1 by 1 and 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Okay, means it comes in p by q form. 3 also became in p by q form. Okay, p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, here q is equal to 1, you can see the denominators. Okay, so which is the rational number between 1 and 3? That is 2, which can be written as 2 by 1. So this is the rational number. Okay, suppose this is -5 here. If I say find the rational numbers between -5 and -2, so you can find there -4 and -3, means -5 can be written as -5 by 1 and -2 can be written as 2 by 1. So on the number line, suppose this is the number line, on the number line these numbers are there. So -5 after -5, -4 by 1, -3 by 1. So these two are the rational numbers. Okay, so now you know how to find the rational number between two rational numbers. But suppose if I tell you to find rational numbers between 4 and 5, now can you find out? Okay, now it's little difficult, not difficult, but I'll explain you. So far we have found that how to find rational numbers between when the denominators are the same. Here also denominators are the same. So here first rational number is 4, means 4 by 1, and second is 5. Say, one thing you keep in mind, that there are as many rational numbers between two rational numbers. We can say infinity also. Okay. Suppose if I tell you to find 5 rational numbers between 4 and 5, or 10 rational numbers, as many as rational numbers you can find out. Okay. So how will you find out now? Now here the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then it is very easy. Okay. Only one thing you have to do, multiply and divide by any number. Say 10, 100, 5. Okay. Okay. Here I will multiply by 10, and here also I will multiply by 10. Okay. So now also the denominator becomes the same. 1 tens are 10 and 1 tens are 10. Okay. So now it became 40 upon 10, and here it becomes 50 upon 10. Denominators are the same. That is, the denominators are same. So what comes after 40 then? 41 upon 10. After 41 upon 10, 42 upon 10, 43 upon 10. Okay. So dash 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 up to 49 upon 10. So we have found how many numbers now? 9 rational numbers between 4 and 5. Got it? 40 by 10 means, suppose see, 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40. And 50 by 10 means 10 ones are 10, 10 fives are 50. Means 5. The same, between 4 and 5. We found 9 rational numbers. Which are they? First one is 41 by 10. Second one is 42 by 10. Third one is 43 by 10. Then 44 by 10. Dash 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 up to 49 by 10. You can find even as many. Suppose if you multiply by 100. Here we multiplied the numerator and denominator by 10. If you multiply by 100, then you will get 99 rational numbers. Got it? Here we multiplied by 10, so we got 9 rational numbers between two rational numbers. If you multiply by 100, you will get 99 rational numbers. Okay. So if you tell the students to find the rational numbers, each one of them will get different rational numbers. There will not be the unique answer for this. Answers will be different. Each student will have different rational numbers depending on by which number he multiply and divide. Okay. So this was the case when the denominators are the same. Okay. Now we'll see the another case. Okay, where denominator will be different. Okay. So I'll explain it with an example. Okay, suppose we have to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Suppose first rational number is 2 by 3 and another rational number is 4 by 5. Okay. Now can you see the denominators? The denominators are different. In the previous cases, in the previous examples, we saw that the denominators were the same. Okay. But here the case is different, that denominators are different. We have to make the denominators the same. How can we make it same? We have to find LCM of the denominators. So LCM will be, how will you find out? 3, denominator is 3, and second rational number denominator is 5. So prime factorization. So 3 ones are 3, 5 is remaining. In the second place, 5 ones are 5 ones. So our LCM is 15 now. Got it? So now it's easy, as we, so 2 by 3. How will you make the denominator same now? How will you make the denominator 15 now, as we got the LCM 15? So multiply by 5, so that the denominator becomes 15. So in the numerator also you have to multiply by the same number. Okay. So it becomes 10 by 15. And here is 4 by 5, another rational number. Okay. So 4 by 5 means we have to make the denominator 15. So 5 3 is 15. So in the numerator also you have to multiply by 3. It becomes 12 upon 15. Now as the denominators of the same are the same, okay, after 10 by 15 what comes? 11 by 15, then 12 by 15. So only one, we got only one, okay, as already it is 12 by 15, okay, we got only one rational numbers. But what if you want to find 5 rational numbers or 10 rational numbers? So in that case, see, now we got 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. See, okay, see, suppose if you simplify 10 by 15, what you get? If you divide by 5 to both numerator and denominator, see, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10. We got the original, got it, 2 by 3, original rational number. Here also, by 3 if you divide to both numerator and denominator, what you get? 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. The same original rational number you got, okay. So what we want to find now? We got only one rational number, okay. We want 5 or 10 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, okay. So original number was 2 by 3. Wait. Okay, now can you see? Okay. Yeah, now see. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15 we got, see, okay. So we got the LCM 15. What if I multiply by 10 to both numerator and here also to both numerator and denominator? How much it becomes? 100 upon 150. And what it becomes here? 120 upon 150. Okay. So 100 upon 150 and 120 upon 150. Now the denominators became the same. So after 100 upon 150 what comes? 101 upon 150. This rational number comes. After that 102 upon 150. Dash 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 up to 119 upon 150. Okay. Now how many rational numbers you got now? Between 100 upon 150 and 120 upon 150. You got 19 rational numbers. Okay. This one 101 upon 150, 102 upon 150, dash 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 up to 119 upon 150. Okay. So in this way, we can find as many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. I hope you have understood the how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So thank you.